Hi, today we're just going to cover off a quick practical tip. So when you're breadboarding, often you want to have some little jumper wires, and you can buy these kits that have the jumper wires in them. But I always find that when I get them, and I get them from AliExpress, but they're usually pretty cheap, they give you lots of these little short ones, which are really quite useful. But they always give you a bunch of really stupidly long ones that, like, that's a short one of the long ones, and it's already the length of the breadboard. And I have these ones here like this. Now you could go and adjust them, like cut them and like strip the end and stuff to make the shapes you want. But I discovered today that they actually make really good tie wire. So here's an example of what I mean. I've just used it to wire up this Cat 5 cable. And now that I've done that, I can cut off the ends. And there you go, you've got something that's nice and neat. It's a bit more rigid than other tie wire, and it just does a really good job. Okay, thanks for watching.